Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 5 online. Getting connected to the vibrant world of Horizon life is an exciting part of the game experience. We will cover everything from ensuring your system meets the necessary requirements to joining friends in thrilling races and events. This guide aims to help you seamlessly transition into the multiplayer aspect, allowing you to fully enjoy the shared open world and competitive challenges with other players. Before diving into the online action, it is crucial to prepare your system. First, ensure your internet connection is robust, ideally offering at least 20 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. Next, always keep your Forza Horizon 5 game updated to its newest version to access all online features and bug fixes. Also, check your firewall and antivirus programs, making sure they do not block the game's connection to the internet. Finally, confirm that all essential Xbox Live services are running correctly in the background. Once your setup is complete, launching into online play is straightforward. From the main menu, simply navigate to the Online tab and select Horizon Life to join a shared open world with many other players. If you wish to play with friends, utilize the Convoy feature, which allows you to invite up to 12 players into your private session. From there, you can participate in a wide array of online races, challenges, and exciting seasonal events together. Encountering issues while playing online can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. If you experience connection drops, try restarting your internet router and the game itself. Always check the official Forza Horizon 5 forums or social media for any widespread server outages. Additionally, ensure your network address translation type is set to open or moderate for optimal connectivity. As a final step for persistent issues, a clean reinstallation of the game might resolve underlying file corruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.